Okay, so magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Um, Pag-usapan po natin is about the National Healthcare Shield na very new po ito na ginawa ni Kaiser. So this is for government institution and it's a healthcare plan para po eksakto po dun sa bigay po sa atin ng ating Pangulo na 7K, no? Yan. Okay, so accept lang po natin ito. Okay. So magpakilala lang po muna ako. My name is Maria Cecilia Ables. I'm one of the CEO Marketing Director po ng IMG. IMG stands for International Marketing Group, which is ang broker po ng Kaiser. So siya rin po ang may-ari ng Kaiser. So I'm a financial coach and trainers of True the Richmakers team, certified insurance underwriter from Manila Bankers Life, and I am also an entrepreneur and investor. So nasa ibaba po yung aking contact information and yung Facebook account. So you can add me rin po. Yan. So sino nga po ba si Kaiser? So the first name in healthcare, Kaiser International Health Group is a top health maintenance organization that offers quality healthcare to a diverse range of clients. It was founded on June 8, 2004 and was later on certified by the Department of Health and Insurance Commission to operate on July 26, 2004. Um, ang atin pong presidente ay si Doktora Lea Uyolo, no? So siya po ang tumutulong din sa atin and currently active officer din po siya ng PAMOK, which is ang samahan po or organization po ng lahat ng HMO company sa Pilipinas. Yan. So we value on one of the Filipino characteristics, strong and close-knit family ties. So we want you to be one of our family. So this has moved our company to create accessible and reliable healthcare products designed to each and for the Filipino family. Yan. So inspired by our tagline, your first name in healthcare, Kaiser International Health Group upholds its position as a top-tier HMO committed to providing exceptional and health coverage and compassionate medical care. Yan. So kami po ay mayroong mga accredited doctors, more than 12,000 and growing. We also have 2,000 hospitals and clinics. And mayroon po tayo currently siyam na Kaiser Medical Center. So ang goal po ni IMG at ni Kaiser ay magkaroon po ng mas marami pang Kaiser Medical Center na stop lang po ito during pandemic. So sana po mai-continue na po ang mas marami pang mga Kaiser Medical Center. And so we offer 24/7 assistance. So yung call center po natin, yung customer care center and liaison officer po para po mas marami po tayong maseserbisyuhan. Yan. So ito po yung ating mga accredited hospital. So yung mga malalaking ospital naman po sa bansa po natin is mostly ano na po accredited na po ni Kaiser. Yan. So we also have ang ating pong exclusive broker, no? Katulad po nung nabanggit ko kanina is si IMG. So si IMG po ay nagtuturo din ng financial literacy. So ang amin pong campaign is to reach 30 million families by year 2030. Yan. So, sino po yung mga eligible to avail? All government personnel employed within the national government agencies, including SUCs and GOCC. So, regardless of appointment status, kahit po regular, casual, contractual, appointive or elective, and on full-time or part-time basis. So, as long as kayo po ay nagtatrabaho sa gobyerno, pwede po tayong mag-avail ng ating National Healthcare Shield. So, the group applicant must have an authorized or designated signatory representing the respective government, institution, office, or agency. So, kung tayo po ay eskwelahan, kung wala po tayong co-op or association sa school po natin, kailangan lang po natin mag-assign ng isang POC or pwede pong si principal or kung sino man po yung i-assign, natatayong contact person po ni Kaiser sa eskwelahan po ninyo. So there is no minimum number of members required for enrollment. However, the entire agency or department must participate if they choose to enroll to avoid anti-selection. So nagbibigay po kami ng leeway up at least 80% po, no? Kung halimbawa po sa eskwelahan po ninyo hindi kaya talaga kumuha ang whole 100%, pwede po hanggang 80%. Kasi aware po kami na some of the teachers and non-teaching staffs po ay mayroon ng mga healthcare, no? Kasi patapos na po yung taon. So all applications will be subjected to underwriting guidelines and approval. So yung age po natin is dapat 18 years old up to 65 years old yung pwedeng mag-avail. So for the dependent members, so ibig sabihin po, aside from you as principal, nakukuha ng Kaiser, pwede rin po nating ikuha yung ating mga dependent. So, for married members, kailangan lang po yung kanyang mauuna, legal spouse, at least 18 years old to 65, and the legitimate and or legally adopted children 1 year old hanggang 21 years of age. So, ibig sabihin po, yung hierarchy po, family hierarchy yung sinusunod po ni Kaiser. Then, for the single member, ang dependent po natin, ang uunahin po ay parents, then i-enroll po ito up to age 65 yung pwede. So, for brothers and sisters, kailangan po 1 year old up to 21 years of age, unemployed, and are living under the same roof as the principal. So, yun po yung requirement. Si parents po, ganun din. Dapat kasama po sa bahay. Ito na po yung mga benefits natin. So, for the preventive healthcare, consultation on different doctor specializations and subspecialties, patient history taking upon consultation, periodic monitoring of health problems, health education and counseling on diet and exercise. Active vaccines for treatment of tetanus and animal bites. So hanggang 10,000 po per member per year ang nilalaan po ni Kaiser para dyan. Health habits and family planning counseling ay kasama po sa preventive healthcare natin. Also, yung tinatawag po natin na APE or Annual Physical Examination, this is for principals only. So, CBC, urinalysis, fecalysis, chest x-ray, ECG po sa mga age 40 and above, and pap smear naman po sa babae, 40 and above, or if prescribed po ng ating OB-GYN. Then for the inpatient care, ang mga benefits po natin, yung room and board is semi-private room up to 800 pesos per day po. So, yung room and board natin, if ever na gusto natin ay private room, pwede naman, basta yung excess po sa 800, si patient na po ang sasagot. Yung operating room natin and recovery room, naka-maximum benefit limit. Ano po or magkano ang maximum benefit limit? It's 75,000 per member per year. Yung ating administered medicines habang tayo po ay naka-confine, naka-maximum benefit limit din. Yung x-ray and other laboratory exams, nasa maximum benefit limit. Yung atin pong mga professional fees, attending physicians, surgeons, and anesthesiologists, Yaan po ay naka-maximum benefit limit. Subject to relative value unit or Kaiser accredited units. Kailangan po yung mga accredited doctors po natin. For the hospital services po, so yung atin pong medicine for inpatient availment, naka-maximum benefit limit habang naka-confine. Yung IV fluids and transfusion of fresh whole blood, naka-maximum benefit limit. So yung other services po natin katulad po ng ICU confinements, dialysis, chemotherapy, radiotherapy ay naka-maximum benefit limit din. Okay? And then, meron po tayong mga may limitations, no? So sa laparoscopic surgery, may 50,000 per member per year. Bakit hindi po ito naka-maximum benefit limit? Kasi binibigyan po ng allowance ni Kaiser yung recovery po ni patient, no? So kaya po siya 50,000 lang. Yung lithotripsy po, 50,000 per member per year. Yung mga angiography, myologram, 5,000 lang po. Pati po yung 24-hour Holter monitoring or 2D echo with Doppler, naka 5,000 pesos only. So, yan po yung mga um, procedures na mayroong mga limitations, no? So, laboratory, ancillary services for conditions whose pathogenesis or subsequent clinical improvement not yet fully established in medical science, no? May 5,000. So, ayan po. Medyo marami po yung ating mga may limitations. So, for the radioactive iodine therapy, 5,000 din. May congenital illness, so may 10,000 po. Treadmill test at 5,000. Physical therapy hanggang 10 session. So for example po, 2,500 ang per session natin. Basta hanggang 10 session po, yan covered. For the pre and postnatal care, once a month only. So sa magtatanong po, ang panganganak po ba ay covered sa inpatient care po natin? Hindi po natin kino-cover ang maternity, yung panganganak, dahil hindi naman daw po illness ang panganganak. Yan. So check up only. Then for the outpatient care, referral to specialist, regular consultations and treatment, except doon po sa mga ipe-prescribe po na gamot ng doktor, hindi po siya marireimburse kay Kaiser. Again po, ito po yung hindi tayo naka-confine. No? So yung bibilihin po natin sa drugstore, hindi po siya kasama. So laboratory, x-ray, and other diagnostic examinations, yan po ay covered. So basta po ang nag-prescribe or gumawa ng request ay Kaiser accredited doctors. So yung treatment of minor injuries and surgery not requiring confinement. And yung EENT treatment po, no, meron po tayo sa outpatient care natin. Then for the emergency care, the following benefits are covered for members in an emergency case who is in a critical condition caused by an illness or injury. So yung mga services po, yung physician services, medicines, cast, dressing, sutures po, yan po ay covered. Oxygen, IV fluids, mga x-ray and laboratory po and other diagnostic examinations, yan po ay covered sa ating emergency care. What if, dahil nga po ito ay emergency, mapunta po tayo sa non-accredited hospitals? Si Kaiser po ay nag-a-allow ng reimbursement up to 80% of the total hospital bills, inclusive of professional fees based on Kaiser accredited units. Also, Kaiser shall only pay the said amount, which is 80%, when it is verified that the use of Kaiser non-designated provider would entail a delay resulting in death, serious disability, and significant jeopardy to the member's condition or the other or the choice of hospital was beyond the control of the member. Kung halimbawa po, kumbaga dahil nga emergency ang nagdala sa kanya yung kanyang pamilya kasi wala po siyang malay, no? So yan po, no, ano siya, i-investigate pero inaalaw. Then kung malayong malayo po talaga yung accredited hospital doon sa pinagdalhan sa atin, kunyari po yung mga tawid dagat, no? So hanggang 100% naman po yung pwedeng i-reimburse po ni Kaiser. Oh, so, ayan. For the dental care, this is for the principal members only. Consultation and dental examinations, dental nutrition and dietary counseling, dental health education, restorative and prosthodontic treatment, bunot, simple tooth extraction, unlimited temporary filling or pasta as needed, no? At yung annual prophylaxis, mild case only, iyon po yung palinis po natin taon-taon. And then, simple tooth adjustment of dentures, recementation of loose crowns, inlays and onlays, at meron po tayong permanent filling up to 2 surfaces only. So, yun po yung permanent pasta, dalawa. Yan, kasama po siya. Again, for principal members only. So kung kukuha natin yung dependent natin, hindi po sila covered sa dental care. For the financial care assistance, for principal members only, meron po tayong coverage na 10,000 pesos sa natural death. Kung accident yung cause of death, it's 20,000. Hindi po lahat ng healthcare ay mayroon pong financial care assistance or insurance, no? So, ganun din po yung putol-putol, no? Halimbawa po, dalawang kamay, dalawang paa, dalawang mata, 10,000 po, no? Ang i-cover po niyan. Kung isang paa at isang kamay at isang mata, isang paa at isang mata, 10,000 din po. Then for the isa lang na paa or isa lang na kamay or isang mata, 5,000. No? So, yan po yung financial care assistance natin for principal members only. So, causes that are covered and are not under the exclusions shall not have been provoked by the member, shall not have happened while the member is engaging in political activities, performing investigative security or political function, or holding any elective government position. And meron po tayong mga restriction din sa mga lugar po na ito. So, Lanao del Norte, yung mga Zamboanga del Sur, hindi po namin sure, no? Ano po yung naging reason ni Kaiser, bakit po na ito excluded, pero ito po ay para sa financial care assistance only. What if dito nakatira yung mga kukuha ng Kaiser plan? So, lilinawin ko lang po, ito po ay exclusion para lang doon sa insurance na ibinibigay ni Kaiser. Pero yung mga medical assistance po, yung preventive healthcare, lahat po yun covered except for this financial care assistance. Then, tayo po ay integrated with PhilHealth. So your PhilHealth benefits is integrated with Kaiser. Once admitted, you will be advised to file your PhilHealth reimbursement form, and the PhilHealth reimbursement due shall be deducted from the total hospital bill. And then the rest po, yun po yung sasagutin ni Kaiser. Kung sakasakali po na si member ay wala pong PhilHealth, siya po yung magso-shoulder. Si patient po yung magso-shoulder ng amount due for PhilHealth. Yan. So, yung mga pre-existing condition po ay covered na agad on your first year availment, no? So pag nag-avail po kayo at nakapagbayad, covered na po agad. So ano po ba yung mga pre-existing? Those illnesses or injuries or any other adverse medical condition present prior to and within the first 12 months from the effective date of coverage, no? So lahat po ng sakit na alam natin or hindi at yan po ay natag as pre-existing, huwag kayong mag-alala kasi covered naman. Some of the pre-existing illnesses, ayan po, no? Hypertension, varicose veins, bronchial asthma, ang migraine daw po pala ay pre-existing illness na. Arthritis, glaucoma, cataract, ovarian cyst, no? Yan po yung mga sample ng pre-existing illnesses natin. Then, some of the dreaded diseases po, katulad ng stroke, diabetes, liver, parenchyma disease, yan po ay covered na rin. Chronic kidney, no? So, yan po. Ayaw nating magkaroon yan, pero if tayo po ay mag-a-avail ng Kaiser, covered na po iyan. So, medyo marami po tayong kino-cover na mga dreaded diseases. Yan. So magkano po ang annual mode of payment? 7,000. Ang room and board ay semi-private up to 800 pesos only per day. Ang ating maximum benefit limit is 75,000 per illness per member per year. So the maximum amount payable per illness per member per year, inclusive of condition, diagnostic procedures, and hospitalization. Okay? So pag sinabi pong per illness, kung ikaw ngayon ay nagkasakit due to dengue, covered. Then another week, nagkasakit ka ulit, malalang UTI naman, dahil magkaibang illnesses yan, yan po ay covered another 75K. Okay? So may access po tayo sa mga major hospitals katulad ng St. Luke's, Asian Medical Center, Makati Medical Center, Cardinal Santos, The Medical City, and sa Cebu po, Chonghua Hospital, Cebu Doctors, and UC Medical Hospital. Okay? So to check our accredited hospitals sa mga lugar po ninyo, visit our website www.kaiserhealthgroup.com. Click po natin itong clinics and hospital. Mapupunta ka po sa search box. I-search mo lang. Kunyari po, Cainta, Taytay, Montalban. Yan. So, i-search po natin dyan. Lalabas ang lahat ng accredited hospital. If in case meron pong malaking ospital na private sa lugar ninyo at hindi po accredited ng Kaiser, napakabilis lang po naming magpa-accredit. We just need yung phone number, email address, and contact person ng HMO department po ng ospital. Kami na po ang bahalang mag-contact. Basta share it with us. Then these are the samples po ng mga government clients po ni Kaiser. So, ako po, personally, na-close ko po ang 11 regions ng Public Attorney's Office. Wala pa po dito yung Department of Justice and yung atin pong PIDEA. Yan po yung mga current po na na-close ng Kaiser. And marami pa pong iba. Ayan. So, aside from the short-term plan, ito pong National Health Shield natin, we also offer Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare Plan. Ano pong ibig sabihin? This is your protection beyond retirement. So, more than just a short-term care, yung annual renewable na plan natin. Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare Plan is a 7-year plan at lifetime mo nang mapapakinabangan. So meron itong lifetime healthcare coverage, growing health fund, financial independence, peace of mind for the future. So bakit po namin sinabi na Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder Plan itong long-term plan ng Kaiser? It is one-of-a-kind HMO product designed to provide healthcare especially after employment and retirement years. Para po itong kape, no? May healthcare, may life insurance, and investment. So, this is a very complete financial plan, no? Ang solution po sa lahat ng mga needs natin. So, yung mga question po na what if I die too soon? Kung ikaw ang breadwinner ng family, ano po ang maiiwan natin? Kung meron po tayong life insurance, it's your family protection. So to protect your family, if you die too soon, may life insurance, kaya po natin may maiiwan na panimula at hindi po utang. So I have a client po way back December 2023. So nag-avail po itong client ko ng Plan K100 plan, and pagdating po ng February na aksidente at namatay. So dahil po may insurance, nakuha po ng asawa at ng dalawang anak yung insurance equally divided. 450,000 po yung insurance na doble kasi accident. So that's 900,000 equally divided sa kanila. Nalipat sa asawa yung kanyang plan fully paid kasi meron po tayong tinatawag na waiver of installment. Pagdating ng maturity ng plan ng asawa niya, makukuha po is 1.2 million dahil meron po itong investment na nag-grow pagdating po ng 8th year onwards. And nagja-generate po ito kung hindi mo ito i-withdraw lahat. So yun po yung sinasabi naman na, what if I live too long? So you have an investment na magagamit na ang pera na po ang nagtatrabaho para sa iyo. And dahil ito ay healthcare, in any time na magkasakit ka, meron po tayong magagamit, no? So, 7 years to pay, lifetime to use. So, sino po yung mga pwedeng mag-avail? At age 10 years old, up to 60 years old lang po. So, may mga bracket po tayo. So, ito naman po ay recorded. So, makikita nyo po how much yung mga pwede po natin kunin. And if you are really interested, you can ask naman us. So, para po sa ating call center hotline, napakarami po naming numbers. So, we have Smart, Globe, Sun. Ito pong mga mobile numbers na ito, para po mas mapabilis yung gawa po natin or approve ng LOA, we can call this number. And kung meron na kayong procedure para hindi ka pipila ng mahaba doon sa HMO department, tawagan po ang mga number na ito, i-email po ang iyong procedure para po i-email back sa iyo yung approved LOA mo. So ipiprint mo yon, dadalihin mo sa HMO department kung saan ka man gawa, no? So i-verify lang po nila yon, bibigyan ka ng Xerox noong iyong confirmation at pwede ka nang magpa-laboratory or magpa-confine. So very, very easy po, no? Kasi kami po na mga agent ng Kaiser, we also use itong Kaiser kasi libre po ito na ibinibigay naman sa amin ng company. Yan. So tapos na po ang ating presentation at mag-stop na po akong mag record.